Welcome back. Vegetarian is easy and delicious.
Let's go vegetarian together. Plant-based eating is anything but boring. It's delicious and full of flavor. You've probably heard of vegetarian fish, right? Today, let's make sweet and sour orange tomato vegetarian fish fillets. This sweet and sour orange tomato vegetarian fish features meatless fish fillets cooked in a tangy blend of fresh orange juice and tomato sauce for a flavorful plant-based dish. Healthy and easy to make, it combines the freshness of oranges with the tangy taste of tomatoes, creating a delicious twist on vegetarian fish. Both vegetarians and those exploring new flavors will love this innovative meat-free dish. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: vegan fish, tomato, oranges, vegan dried shrimp, soy flakes, cherry tomatoes. I'm sure anyone who follows a vegetarian diet or has dined at a plant-based restaurant has tried vegetarian fish. It's such a classic meat-free ingredient, right? This vegetarian fish is a plant-based mock meat made from ingredients like soy protein or konjac, mimicking the texture and flavor of real fish for cruelty-free dining. Slice the thawed vegetarian fish fillets and set aside.
Just cut it this way.
Baking vegetarian fish creates a crispy golden crust while keeping it tender inside, allowing it to better soak up flavorful sauces. Deep-fried vegetarian fish achieves a crispy golden crust with juicy interior but higher oil content, while air-fried versions use minimal oil for similar crispiness with less fat, and baked ones offer a drier, chewier texture ideal for those preferring lighter preparation. All three methods have distinct merits. Deep frying delivers richest flavor. Air frying balances taste and health, while baking is the leanest option.
Let's roast vegan fish now.
200 degrees, 10 minutes. The baked vegetarian fish slices smell absolutely delicious. Just the aroma makes my stomach growl. Let's air fry some crispy vegetarian shrimp flakes now. These golden crunchy bites can perfectly replace fried shallots or garlic chips too. Air frying for approximately 5 minutes at 160 degrees to reach crispiness. Crispy, crunchy, and irresistibly fragrant fresh out of the air fryer. Crispy sardine crumbs can be tossed with noodles, paired with porridge, or sprinkled over rice for an instant flavor boost. Cherry tomatoes are optional for garnish. Use them however you like. Have, slice, or arrange them creatively for your perfect plating. These cherry tomatoes pack vitamin C, lycopene, and antioxidants, offering a nutritious, low-calorie snack with vibrant flavor. Cubes tomatoes and set aside for later use. Tomatoes are packed with vitamin C, lycopene, and potassium, offering antioxidant benefits and supporting metabolism. The lycopene in tomatoes acts as a powerful antioxidant, neutralizing free radicals and slowing cellular aging. Orange cut half and squeeze out the orange juice. Freshly squeezed orange juice adds natural citrus aroma and bright acidity to dishes, while boosting vitamin C content for extra nutritional value. Who needs a juicer? This shortcut is faster and way easier. Win! orange juice. That's easy. Gently pressing the remaining orange juice. Orange juice is ready to go. Thinly slice the remaining orange for decor or don't, totally up to you. Mom keeps me drowning in oranges every week. If you're also overloaded with citrus, try this zero waste trick. Let's start cooking sauce. Add tomato cubes and stir fry to release red oil. When tomatoes are cooked, their cell walls break down to release lycopene, which blends with all, creating that vibrant red sauce. Add a tablespoon of tomato sauce or spice it up with chili sauce for a hint of heat if you'd like. Pour in half a cup of water, add more if you prefer extra sauce. Just adjust to your taste. Add orange juice and let it cook. Sugar equals play by ear. Subtract when oranges are sweet, add when they're sour. Kitchen math made fun. Optional to add mushroom powder to enhance the flavor. Cook for approximately 30 seconds. Arrange orange slices in plate. Arrange vegan fish on orange slices. Drizzle orange sauce on vegan fish. Rain down those golden crispy crumbs. Boom! Vegan garlic flakes unlocked. The transformation from crunchy to tender delivers a fun textural contrast that mimics ground meat alternatives. The sweet-sour orange tomato sauce coats the vegetarian fish with vibrant citrus notes, tangy tomato zest, and a savory umami finish for a perfectly harmonized bite. Chilling enhances the texture. Cooled sauce firms up the fish for a delightfully bouncy chew. Freshly squeezed orange sauce delivers a bright citrusy tang while retaining 90% of its vitamin C, boosting both flavor and nutrition in plant-based dishes. The natural fruit acids tenderize meat alternatives, while citrus oils from zest add complex aromatic depth to the sauce. By the way, if you are looking for delicious vegetarian recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I have just started to be vegan for a few months. I have also been trying to learn simple vegetarian recipes. I found that vegetarian food is not only healthy and delicious, but also very easy to make. If you are a vegan beginner like me, let's learn to cook vegetarian food together. Wednesdays are for sharing my vegan life with you. Food finds veg-friendly spots plus your Q&A. Thanks for being awesome! Oranges pack vitamin C and fiber to boost immunity and digestion, but those with acid reflux should avoid eating with empty stomach. Diabetics must monitor intake. People on certain medications, for example blood pressure drugs, need medical advice, and cold-sensitive individuals may limit consumption. Vegetarian fish is a high-protein, low-fat meat alternative made from soy protein or konjac, providing complete plant-based protein and essential amino acids for muscle recovery and metabolism. Some varieties incorporate seaweed for oceanic flavor while boosting iodine and omega-3 stuff, though processed sodium content should be monitored. With zero cholesterol, it's a heart-healthy and sustainable way for vegetarians to obtain fish-like nutrients. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For VO-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.